Looking for the best dash cam in 2025? We've tested and reviewed the top 3 models to help you make the right choice for safety, quality, and features. Whether you're a daily commuter or road tripper, these dash cams offer the best value and performance. Watch now to find out which one is perfect for your ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Number 3. The Midden X5 4K Wi-Fi dash cam is an exceptional all-in-one solution for comprehensive vehicle monitoring. With front 2160p, interior and rear both 1080p coverage, it offers full 360 degrees protection, making it ideal for personal, rideshare, or RV use. The camera's Sony IMX6 sensor, f1.5 aperture, and WDR ensure excellent clarity even at night. Installation is straightforward thanks to a solid suction mount and included tools, and users appreciate its compact, low-profile design that doesn't block the driver's view. A standout feature is the upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for fast video downloads and real-time previews via the dedicated smartphone app. Users love this convenience, especially for accessing footage quickly or sharing road trip highlights. The built-in 3-axis G sensor and 24-hour parking monitor provide peace of mind by automatically locking collision footage and recording any suspicious activity. Customers highlight the included 64 GB high-speed SD card as a great bonus, saving time and money. The loop recording function ensures continuous operation without worrying about storage. Combined with superior night vision, dual parking mode, and a generous 10-year warranty, the Midden X5 stands out for its performance, reliability, and value. Whether for daily driving or rideshare protection, this dash cam is a top-tier investment. Number 2. The Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is a top-tier, feature-packed front and rear camera system built for safety, clarity, and convenience. Equipped with the advanced Sony Starbus 2 sensor, it captures sharp, vibrant 4K front and 1080p rear footage, even in low light. The 150 degrees plus 140 degrees wide-angle lenses ensure comprehensive road coverage, and the f1.5 or f1.8 apertures further enhance visibility during nighttime driving. One standout feature is the ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing users to download videos at speeds up to 20 megabytes by s via the intuitive Rove app, perfect for instantly reviewing or sharing footage. Built-in GPS tracks location, speed, and routes, viewable directly on the dash cam or via Rove's desktop player. Users praise its ease of setup, sleek 3-inch IPS display, and responsive customer service. The dash cam also features emergency video lock, loop recording, voice guidance, and supercapacitor power for durability in extreme temperatures. The 24/7 parking mode provides intelligent security with motion and collision detection. Hardwire kit required. Included with a free 128 GB SD card, the Rove R2 4K offers unbeatable value. Whether you're road tripping or commuting, it delivers clarity, reliability, and essential protection all in one smart package. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking high-performance dual dashcam coverage. Number 1. The Retiger F7 NP dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking reliable dual-channel recording in stunning clarity. It captures crystal-clear 4K front and 1080p rear footage, ensuring important details like license plates and road signs are easily visible. With its 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide-angle lenses, it minimizes blind spots and maximizes coverage. Nighttime driving is no issue thanks to the f1.5 aperture lens and HDR or WDR technology, which deliver impressive low-light performance. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you control the camera and download or share footage via the Retiger app, available on iOS and Android. The app also enables convenient video editing and one-click sharing of memorable moments. Integrated GPS tracking logs your location, speed, and route data, which can be reviewed through the app or GPS player on desktop, perfect for legal evidence if needed. With loop recording, a G sensor, and 24-hour parking mode, Hardwire kit required. The Rediger F7 MP protects your vehicle both in motion and while parked. Users consistently praise its excellent video quality, responsive customer service, and durable build. One reviewer noted a faulty charger was replaced swiftly and at no cost, highlighting the brand's dedication to customer satisfaction. Backed by an 18-month guarantee, this dash cam offers powerful features at a great value. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 dash cams in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow drivers. Have questions or your own favorite dash cam? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Drive safe and see you in the next video.